Hello. Apologies before I welcome you to this next episode on Once Upon a Time. Apologies because I have been not publishing or posting anything on this channel for quite some time. And the issues are genuine, but I do not want to disclose it right here. So, as and when those issues get sorted out, we'll be back on full swing. So yeah, today I have been thinking about this inspiring lives of people, especially certain celebrities and well-known people, and thinking of a person whom we have lost recently from the film industry, Dharmendra. I think as a child growing up and feeding on certain films of the Bollywood industry, I remember having watched quite a few films of Dharmendra, Rajesh Khanna, Shashi Kapoor, Shami Kapoor, yes, of course, Amitabh Bachchan, not to forget. And what strikes me after Dharmendra's death, and after watching a lot of these interviews that he's been giving to different at different platforms, I've noticed that this man has been a very simple, down-to-earth man. Something to learn from, and something to learn from him. Because I've noticed that he has so beautifully balanced two families. I'm not saying they're both happy families. I'm only saying that he was a man who didn't make a mess out of these two marriages. He saw to it that he gave dignity to both the wives in terms of protection, in terms of love. Yeah, certain other areas maybe he would have not been able to kind of meet with certain requirements, but even then, not like the mundane celebrity who is very pompous and arrogant and wants to show off his status and wealth. And I think this man was so deeply rooted in his native town that he to know that he has gone back to agriculture, farming, having cows and buffaloes and ducks and hens in his farmhouse. I think it's really beautiful to know that no matter how big a star you become, if you really remain grounded and if you remain humble, it's a beautiful thing to learn from such people. In fact, even if you look at his kids, his two sons who have not made it that well in Bollywood, but they have been so dignified, they have been so loving and so respectful towards their father. I think this is something which we don't notice in all star kids. No, you don't notice that. So such a beautiful thing again. I think it's like what parents, it's commonly said, no, values are caught and they're not taught. So this is one example where if a parent lives humble and lives simple, I think the kids catch on that, that value, the tradition, the culture, the very staunch family philosophy of being together. I quite loved listening to all the interviews of Dharmendra thing, and I think with all the tribute to him, hats off to him for all that performance that he has given in all those years. We grew up knowing the soft romances of Dharmendra. The action hero, yes, I was not so much inclined towards that, but so beautiful to, have entertainment during our childhood. And these are stars. I'm not hero worshipping them at all. I don't belong to that category of hero worshipping people. But if a person is genuinely good, I think there's no harm acknowledging that. Such a a beautiful person, wonderful person. I really pray that his soul rests in peace. Thank you.